7 superfoods to fight Alzheimer's and boost memory. Welcome to Living Well Daily. Today, we're on a mission to unlock the secrets of a healthier, sharper mind. We're diving deep into the world of superfoods to bring you 7 powerful allies in the fight against Alzheimer's and memory loss. You'll discover how simple dietary changes can have a profound impact on your brain health. We're talking about delicious, everyday foods packed with brain-boosting nutrients. Get ready to discover how omega-3 rich fish, antioxidant-packed berries and other nutrient-dense foods can protect your brain and enhance your memory. We'll share practical tips on how to incorporate these superfoods into your daily meals, making it easy to prevent cognitive decline while enjoying delicious flavors. Don't miss out on these effective strategies for a sharper mind. Like and share this video to spread the knowledge and help others enhance their brain health. You know me, I'm always talking about the incredible power of omega-3 fatty acids. And when it comes to brain health, they're absolute rock stars. See, our brains love these healthy fats and they play a crucial role in maintaining cognitive function and protecting against age-related decline. One of the most concerning aspects of Alzheimer's disease is the buildup of amyloid plaques in the brain. These plaques disrupt communication between brain cells, leading to memory loss and cognitive impairment. But here's the good news. Omega-3s, particularly DHA, have been shown to help reduce the formation of these harmful plaques. Think of omega-3s like little warriors, fighting to keep your brain clear and functioning at its best. And where can you find these brain-boosting heroes? Look no further than fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap the amazing brain benefits. Can't stomach the thought of fish twice a week? No problem. You can also get your omega-3s from supplements like fish oil or algae-based omega-3 supplements. Remember, a healthy brain is a happy brain, so make sure you're getting enough of these incredible omega-3 powerhouses. Let's talk about nature's candy berries. These little gems are not only bursting with flavor, but also brimming with antioxidants, our body's natural defense system against damage. And when it comes to brain health, antioxidants are essential. You see, our brains are particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress, a process that damages brain cells and contributes to cognitive decline. But here's where berries come in. They're packed with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and protect our brains from oxidative damage. Blueberries, in particular, are like little antioxidant powerhouses. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve memory, learning, and even reverse some age-related cognitive decline. Strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are also excellent choices for brain health. So how can you incorporate more berries into your diet? It's easy. Add them to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Get creative and let your taste buds explore the delicious world of berries. We all love a good snack, but did you know that certain snacks can actually boost your brain power? Nuts, especially walnuts, are like little treasure chests of brain-boosting nutrients. They're an excellent source of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that helps protect our brains from oxidative stress. Walnuts, in particular, deserve a special shout-out. They have a unique nutrient profile that sets them apart from other nuts. They're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that our bodies can convert into DHA, the superstar omega-3 we talked about earlier. Studies have linked walnut consumption to improved cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Sprinkle them on salads, add them to trail mixes, or enjoy a handful as a satisfying snack. Remember, a healthy brain needs a steady supply of nutrients, and nuts are a delicious and convenient way to fuel your mind. So the next time you're craving a snack, reach for a handful of brain-boosting nuts. Chapter 4. Tiny seeds, big brain. Impact. Don't underestimate the power of tiny seeds. Flax seeds and chia seeds may be small, but they're packed with nutrients that can have a big impact on your brain health. Just like walnuts, flax seeds and chia seeds are excellent sources of ALA, that plant-based omega-3 that our bodies can convert into DHA. But that's not all. These tiny seeds are also rich in fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. And here's a fascinating fact. Emerging research suggests a strong connection between gut health and brain health. So by nourishing your gut, you're also supporting your brain. Incorporating flax seeds and chia seeds into your diet is super easy. Sprinkle them on salads, add them to smoothies, or mix them into yogurt. You can even use ground flax seeds as an egg replacement in baking. Get creative and experiment with these versatile seeds. Chapter 5. Feed your brain with omega-3s. We've talked a lot about omega-3s throughout this video, and for good reason. These healthy fats are absolutely crucial for optimal brain health. They help reduce inflammation, improve communication between brain cells, and protect against cognitive decline. If you're not a fan of fish or simply want to ensure you're getting enough omega-3s, supplementation can be a great option. Fish oil supplements are a popular choice and a concentrated source of EPA and DHA, the two most important omega-3s for brain health. Algae-based omega-3 supplements are a great alternative for vegetarians and vegans. Algae is where fish get their omega-3s from, so it's a direct source of these essential nutrients. When choosing an omega-3 supplement, always look for high-quality options and consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for you. Remember, a healthy brain needs a steady supply of omega-3s, so make sure you're getting enough from your diet or through supplementation. Chapter 6. The golden spice for a radiant brain. Let's add some color to our plates and our brains with turmeric, the golden spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which gives it its vibrant yellow hue and boasts a wide range of health benefits, especially for the brain. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory, and inflammation is a key player in many chronic diseases, including Alzheimer's disease. By reducing inflammation in the brain, curcumin may help protect against cognitive decline and improve memory function. But that's not all. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant, fighting off those harmful free radicals that can damage brain cells. Studies have shown that curcumin can improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive function. Adding turmeric to your diet is easy and delicious. Use it to spice up curries, soups, stews, or even smoothies. You can also find curcumin supplements if you prefer a more concentrated dose. Chapter 7. Leafy greens for a sharp mind. Last but certainly not least, let's give a round of applause to leafy greens. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health, including brain health. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are particularly rich in folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in cognitive function. Folate helps produce neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in our brains that allow brain cells to communicate with each other. Studies have shown that adequate folate intake is associated with better cognitive performance, memory, and a reduced risk of cognitive decline. So make sure you're getting your daily dose of leafy greens. Incorporate them into salads, smoothies, soups, stews, or simply sauté them with some garlic and olive oil for a delicious and nutritious side dish. Your brain will thank you. Outro Live Well Daily, so there you have it. 7 superfoods that can help you fight Alzheimer's, boost your memory, and keep your brain sharp as a tack. Remember, incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Living Well Daily is your go-to source for all things health, wellness, and vibrant living. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools to lead a balanced, healthy life every single day. From practical fitness tips and nutritious recipes to mental wellness strategies and lifestyle hacks, we're here to help you thrive. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about living their best lives. Whether you're looking to boost your physical health, enhance your mental well-being, or simply find more joy in your daily routine, Living Well. Daily is here to guide and inspire you on your journey. Subscribe now and start your journey to a healthier, happier you.